Hello SwiftUI enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the powerful world of SwiftUI modifiers. If you've ever wondered how to fine-tune the appearance and behavior of your views, you're in the right place. Modifiers in SwiftUI are your secret sauce for customizing the look and feel of your views. They allow you to tweak everything from the font size to the corner radius with just a few lines of code. Let's understand what view modifiers are and how they work. Think of modifiers as a set of instructions telling SwiftUI how to display and interact with your views, whether it's adjusting on the color, size, or spacing. Modifiers are your toolkit for sculpting the perfect UI. In this simple example, we're applying modifiers to customize the font, text color, padding, background. Okay, so let's color and corner radius of a text view. Now, let's take a closer look at some common modifiers. There are a plethora of modifiers available in SwiftUI, each serving a specific purpose. Here, we're applying modifiers to an image view, making it resizable, adjusting its aspect ratio, setting a fixed frame, rotating it, and adjusting its opacity. While SwiftUI provides an extensive set of built-in modifiers, you can also create your own custom modifiers for more specific needs. Let's see how to create and use a custom modifier. First, we define our custom modifier as a struct that conforms to the view modifier protocol. The body function, a requirement of the protocol, takes a content parameter which represents the view we're modifying. Within the body function, we're applying a series of modifiers to the incoming content view. We set the font to title, foreground color to dot pink, add some padding, set the background color. We write to black and round the corners with a corner radius of 10. Now, the magic happens when we extend the view protocol with a function called custom text style. This allows us to apply our custom modifier easily to any SwiftUI view.